So the guys, this question is question number 4, which I'm going to explain. And the question number 4 is like find the largest number among three number. We are going to solve while using JavaScript. And I just like you can see in the screen that I just divided in the three part. So step by step, I'm going to explain you all what are the things going on in the code and why I divided in three section to make you understand. It is a very easy for understanding, and so let's start. Okay, so the step one is I'm just define the three number. Okay, so variable number 1 is equal to 10, variable number 2 is equal to 20, variable number 3 is equal to 15. So what happened actually in there? So in this step we define three number, num1, num2 and number 3. These are the numbers among which we want to find the largest number. Step 2, like this one, compare the number to find the largest, okay, largest number. So now we are going to compare with all the numbers, okay, to find that which is the largest number. So I just wrote this code, okay. Finding, if you wanted to find any largest number, you have to write this types of code. How this work? Now I'm going to explain it. We will compare, okay. So we compare this. So in this step we compare the three number to find the largest number. Among them we use conditional statement, if, else if and else, to determine which number is the largest. Now we will check how it work. Okay, actual, if num is greater than or equal to num2 and num1 greater than is equal to num3 greater than equal to num3, we set largest number 1. Else if num2 greater than equal to num1 and num2 is greater than is equal to num3, we set largest number is equal to 2. Okay, else largest if neither of the above condition is true, it means num3 is the largest, so we set largest number is equal to largest number 3. Okay, so now I explain this all second step. Now come to number 3, step 3. So what I'm doing here, display the largest number. In this step we use console.log the largest to display the result. In this console the output will be a message that tell you the largest number among the three provided number, num1, num2 and num3. For example, the largest number among 10, 20 and 15. 10, 20, 15. 10, 20, 15. And this is the 20 largest number. Let's meet in question number 5. I explained you all this. Try it by yourself, okay? Write the code and practice by heart. 100% you will get the output. Let's meet in question number 5.